Fraud in the UK is on the increase. It's estimated to cost in excess of £14 billion per year. A significant part of that is fraud over the telephone, and we've actually seen a shift of fraud attempts from the web as customers have tightened up their security on the web to the phone channel. So we're seeing increasing incidents of phishing, where a fraudster will attempt to get somebody's personal details from a customer service call, with the end goal of using those details to make a fraudulent transaction or payment at a later stage. So there's a real need to tighten up security on the phone, both for banks but for any company doing business over the phone. Speaker verification has a number of distinct advantages over other biometrics. The first one is it's the only biometric solution that doesn't require any specialised equipment at the point of access. So anybody can use it either from a phone, from a mobile phone, over the internet. They just need a microphone. Another advantage is that it's very user-friendly. People are used to talking over the phone while they're talking or speaking an account number or a passphrase. You can at the same time measure their voice print, but it doesn't require them to do anything that they're not used to. IT departments, they would use voice biometrics as part of a password reset system for employees. Now we're seeing significant interest and significant deployments in the financial services industry. So, for example, TD Waterhouse, a brokerage firm in Canada, are using it to secure access to their telephone-based brokerage services. And so you give your account number and a secret date, which will measure, the system will measure your voice print and decide whether to allow you to access the system or not.
Welcome to Nuance Caller Authentication. To get started, say your 10-digit account number.
7727010877.
You've been verified.
Speaker verification is significantly more secure than most of the phone-based caller authentication systems that are around today. These are typically based around data that can be obtained fairly easily by a fraudster, so mother's maiden name, date of birth, are good examples of that. So by adding this extra layer of biometric security, you're increasing the overall effectiveness of the system by a very large degree. We're constantly evolving our solutions to meet the changing landscape of fraud. It's this kind of robust defence to the issues faced by any company using the voice channel to exchange confidential information with customers. Voice biometrics is robust, reliable, easy to deploy, and ultimately secure.